Hey all, happy morning dear ones, happy morning. Hope you're all doing good. All had your breakfast? Okay, today we are going to have a beautiful board game which is related with max. We call this game as number puzzle. Oh, I can hear so many voices. Auntie, again Max in summer vacation? I feel very bored like that. I can hear some voices. Dears, I promise you that this game will make you to fall love in Max. You will love this game. It's an amazing game. Okay? Before going into the game, I'll say what are the materials required. It's very easy. See, 18 coins like this you have to take. 18 sketch, dice and scale. So keep everything ready. A chart or a plain sheet to draw a base like this. Today I have taken a hexagonal shape. You can take whatever shape you need. A circle, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, whatever you like you can take it. Draw a circle. This is red team. It's a multiplayer game. Each player needs a separate board like this. Okay, this is red board. For yellow color team, he needs separate board like this. Okay, you can play, multiplayers can play at a time. So you have to draw circles like this. The circle consists of numbers from 1 to 18. Shall we go into the game? Now I'll show you how to play this game. We have to roll it. Before going to the game, I'll say I hope that you are very good or strong in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can perform all these 4 operations to keep your coins in the numbers, on the numbers. Okay, are you ready? First you have to roll the dice. So what are the numbers we got? 5, 4, 3. So you can keep like this. See, for 5, 4 and 3. Either you can keep like this or else 5 3s are 15 and 4. Like this. 5 3s are 15. See, 5 3s are 15. One coin I have kept and 4 I have kept another coin. Again shall we roll? 6 2s are 12. Okay, 12 one coin and 5 one coin. See, 12 in coin and 5 in one coin. Okay, again we are going to roll it. 2 2s are 4. Already see, 2 1 plus 1 2. Already have a possibility that 4 we have kept the coin, so we cannot go. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. You can keep it like this, division operation. See dear ones, you may feel that this game is very easy. See, after filling the more coins like this, you will have less possibility to do it. I'll show you now. Wait. Only this much, these circles are left out. We'll roll it. 10. 10 minus 2, 8. We don't have any possibility, right? 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 4. How much? Have with that? No. 12. Now you have 16, right? 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So you have a combo. You have kept it. You have to see which possibility you can do it. You can place the coin. Now 7, 11 is not 8. No. 7. No possibility, right? So as the game goes on, it becomes more difficult for you to find the possibilities. I hope whoever places all the coins like this, whoever fills all the coins, keeps all the coins in the circle, he or she is the winner. I hope you love this game. Thank you, dear ones. Bye. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye.